Viewers, how are you all? Hope you're having a great time and enjoying the best condition of your health. I welcome you all guys in this new video of my channel Fashion Studio. Today I'm showing you the gorgeous and the latest collection of leather long casual boots, the ultimate fashion icon and a must-have item in the wardrobe. Long boots are stylish yet simple, elegant and sophisticated. These are crafted from premium quality leather. Leather is a durable and fine material. It will last years with its shine and fine lining. Its texture decks makes like the cleaner warms like in the colder months. You can style them with jeans, dresses, blazers, etc. Whenever you're going to offices, night out friends, or going to evening parties. These are versatile and adorable. These aren't just boots, they are statement that turn heads towards you and makes you feel gorgeous and confident. Hope you like all the designs and ideas of the video. See you soon. Stay happy and stay blessed. Keep visiting my channel for more videos and ideas of long boots.